Is it time to buy or sell Intuitive Machines stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Intuitive Machines. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Intuitive Machines as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.45. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it progresses in the upcoming days. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, with indications of further growth within this trajectory. Analyzing the recent 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 5.07% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -4.14% to 34.83%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 17.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -18.78% and 181.79% over the coming year. This translates to a future price range of approximately $8.53 to $29.59. Our latest daily update for Intuitive Machines includes the headline: Intuitive Machines Incorporated's stock price took a fall of 8.46% on Wednesday. The Intuitive Machines Incorporated stock price fell by 8.46% on the last day, Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, from $11.47 to $10.50. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.67%, with a day low at $10.45 and a day high of $11.46. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 21.47% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk could increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $85.84 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.95, and the lowest price was $3.38. Currently, the price is 57.92%, or $14.45, below the 52-week high, and 92.28%, or $125.50, below the all-time high on the 22nd of February, 2023, when the price reached $136. Intuitive Machines, trading under the ticker LUNR, is set to release its second quarter earnings report tomorrow, August 7, 2025. Analysts anticipate that while revenues driven by lunar mission contracts may show strength, rising costs could pressure the company's bottom line. This mixed outlook may contribute to volatility in the short term as investors react to these results. Additionally, recent reports indicate expectations of a decline in earnings, suggesting that market sentiment could shift if the results are worse than anticipated. On a positive note, LUNR secured a contract worth $9,800,000 from the government to advance its orbital transfer vehicle, signaling growing interest in the firm's space solutions. This development indicates long-term growth potential as the company expands its portfolio. Furthermore, despite near-term challenges, discussions around a 30% year-over-year growth into 2026 highlight a potentially strong trajectory towards sustainable profitability. The recent rally in LUNR's stock price, which jumped 18% in late July, shows that investor sentiment remains optimistic, particularly as excitement around the space sector continues to grow. However, with increased scrutiny ahead of earnings and potential cost pressures, short-term fluctuations in stock price may persist, while long-term prospects look promising, driven by contractual wins and market expansion. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned LUN a neutral rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned LUN an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned LUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned LUN a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned LUN an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intuitive Machines stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intuitive Machines. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Intuitive Machines, Incorporated, is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $11.18 and $11.17. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 23, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 21.47%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intuitive Machines. Intuitive Machines Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.41. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock carries a high level of risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.01 between its high and low, which is a change of 9.67%. In the past week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 6.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intuitive Machines, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing financial losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 6 cents per share. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intuitive Machines. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intuitive Machines is at $10.86. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intuitive Machines encounters its first support level at $10.41. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intuitive Machines from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed, who bought and sold 200,270 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 14.412. Overall, insiders purchased 13,523,692 shares and sold 18,487,668 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Intuitive Machines stock a good buy? The stock of Intuitive Machines Incorporated displays several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, our assessment suggests that Intuitive Machines Incorporated may experience poor performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a buy to a sell recommendation since our last review. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we anticipate that Intuitive Machines will open higher by 303 thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $10.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.